Okay, so this is a generator that got online marketplace for $30. Contacted the guy. He said that it runs fine. It has no power, and he doesn't know what it does. And so I'm like, okay. And so he goes, I got a couple people looking at it. I go, hey, I'll send you $40 right now if you can do it for me. It took me a day to go get it, but otherwise, just gonna walk around real quick. I mean, not that bad of a shape. Um, Everything seems to be there. Um, he had no other stuff about it. I mean, I've seen a lot worse than this, and I've made run. I mean, it's quick wire. I ain't even got the book. I'm gonna be down on there right now. Ooh, that's kind of cool. Put that over here for now. Okay, so I'm gonna grab some paper towels and let's do a quick check on it. Okay, so let's go through. Let's check it real quick. Okay. Dipstick right here. Get out of there. Well, it doesn't look that bad. I know you can't really tell from this, but oil's all the way up to the bottom here, so around the threads. So she's good to go for right now. Thinking about eating. Okay. So looks like we got going on here. Yeah, let's go to make sure on 120. Turn the breaker off. Okay, well, let's go over here. Sounds like we got some fuel in there. Of course, our gauge is so dirty you can't really see anything on it, but anyways, we'll be cleaning her up later. So, okay, I'll close the choke. I'll turn that thing on. Okay. Yeah, everything else is good. Let's see if I can get through the start. Let's see. I might have to throw a battery charger, or should I got all my tools over there already? No, right. Okay, so we got nothing at all. This is smoking a little bit, but I don't know if you see that or not. Okay, so we are going to try the exciter trick with the drill. Okay, well, so she starts up real good, just like the guy said when I bought it. But like he said, we had no power. We tried the kilowatt on there, nothing's putting out. I tried the breaker, uh, didn't see any of that. So tried the drill trick to excite it, for the lost power, in the magnet, but didn't work. So we're gonna have to have a quick check on the AVR, and I got some brushes for it coming. So you have to come back and check out episode 2 when we go through and diagnose what's going on. Could be something simple, could not. So we'll dive into it more. But uh, thank you for watching. If you like, subscribe if you could, and then come back and check out. And as you can see in the background, I got my other generators that have been some projects. This one over here, that one is coming next. That one has a lot more pumps, as you can see. So you need to check back and all my other projects. Thank you. But before we go, I might want to check it out. Well, I think she cleaned up kind of nicely. What do you think?